Before the start of the video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, then click on the subscription button. In this video, you will come to know about foods to avoid during menstruation. Following are the foods that you should avoid eating if you are on your period. This includes alcohol. Even though you might be craving a glass of unrated alcoholic beverage, drinking alcohol when you're on your periods might negatively affect your hormone levels. Both testosterone and estrogen can be produced more often in the body when alcohol is consumed. And excessive alcohol might make premenstrual symptoms worse, particularly irritability and mood swings. Dairy products. It's not a good idea to consume a lot of dairy products because they can make you cramp. Arachidonic acid and omega-6 fatty acids found in dairy products including milk, cheese and ice cream might worsen inflammation and period pain. Milk. Drinking milk can cause pelvic acid and dairy items including milk, yogurt and ice cream are among foods that can lead to an uncomfortable bloated feeling. Coffee. The blood flow can be slowed down by caffeine because it inhibits a hormone that can constitute blood vessels including those in the uterus. Coffee can aggravate stomach pain by causing inflammation and bloating. Therefore, consuming coffee may worsen cramps. Junk food. Surveys have shown that school-going females who frequently eat fast food experience irregular periods, early menstruation, and severe bleeding that interferes with the menstrual cycle. Their daily educational routine and advancing age are impacted by this. The same is true for women. They encounter numerous issues as a result of heavy bleeding and irregular menstruation. The hormone balance of the body is disturbed by fast food or junk food, which also has an indirect impact on the menstrual cycle, mood swings, and behavioral changes. Cold beverages. Cold beverages have been shown to make menstruation pain worse, so avoid drinking them. Oily foods. Consuming fatty foods cause your body to produce more prostaglandins, which might cause your uterus to contract. Your discomfort and cramping will worsen as a result of your uterus contracting. Due to saturated fats' ability to worsen period symptoms, even fatty meals should be avoided during the period. Salty foods. While fatty foods boost prostaglandin production, which causes the uterus to contract, salty foods increase water retention and bloating. Salty foods lead you to drain more water, which makes you bloat more and produces uncomfortable period cramps. Thanks for watching my video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, then click on the subscription button. Also leave a comment on my video so that it comes to know for where you're watching my video. If you want to know about foods that are beneficial to eat during menstruation, then click on the link given in the description below.